Hi everyone, welcome back. This is the 7th tutorial about Matplotlib, and the topic of this tutorial is about ticker formatting, which is something like you see in this figure. On the left, I have, in the x-axis, I have a number which is pretty long, for instance 100,000 as you can see in here. However, we can modify this number to make it something like we see in the left, and we call this kind of modification is scientific notation instead of using the default notation, and we will learn how to do it in this tutorial. Alright, the first thing that we need to do is to load the libraries. As usual, I use Matplotlib and also NumPy. And here is the link where you can refer to other properties of the figure or axis in Matplotlib. So please feel free to have a look. And the second thing that we need to do is to create some artificial data. Where I have an x and y value, and the third step is about plotting a figure. And the number 1 and 2 here stand for 1 row and 2 columns, so that's why we have two figures in this tutorial. And the next step is to plot the first figure, which is pretty simple. We just use the function plot, and the first argument we put the x array, and the second argument we put y array, and we also set the title. So by default, the number in the x-axis will be, as you can see in the left figure. So similarly, we can also plot for the second figure, and for now we will modify the ticker format. So in order to do that, we use the function MPL. Here is stand for Matplotlib, as we imported at the beginning. Import Matplotlib as MPL, and then we use this function to set the scientific equal to true, and also the power limit. This is the power that we have in here, like 10 to the power of 5. So when we set those value or in this section, then we will obtain the x-axis with a scientific notation as in the right figure. Okay, this is pretty simple and short. So yeah, all done for this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys like it, and please subscribe my YouTube channel too. Thank you very much.